In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Fresha with a full guide for 2025. Whether you're updating your business contact information or just want to ensure your personal details are current, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Fresha partner account. Head over to the Fresha partner portal. Once you're there, look for the profile icon. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your account. In this case, we're interested in the personal settings. Just click on the option labeled Personal Settings to proceed further. Next, from within the personal settings, you'll see several tabs or sections. You'll want to select the one that says Profile Info. This is where your core account information is stored, including your contact details. Within the Profile Info section, scroll until you find the section titled Contacts. Here, you'll see your current email address listed. Beside this, there should be an edit option. Click Edit. Doing this will allow you to change your email address to the one you prefer. Carefully type in your new email address, ensuring there are no typos or errors, as this will be your main point of contact. Double checking your email address before you save it helps avoid any potential issues later on with communication or accessing your account. Once you've entered your new email address, go ahead and click Save. This action will update your email in the Fresha system. It's a small but crucial step, ensuring all communications from Fresha, including notifications and updates, get sent to your new email address. It's also a good idea to log out and log back in using your new email to confirm everything is working smoothly. Remember, keeping your personal and business contact details up to date is important for maintaining seamless communication with clients and the Fresha team. The simple change ensures your account is as accurate as possible and that you remain connected with all necessary updates. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your email on Fresha. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tutorials to keep you informed and updated. Thanks for watching and see you next time.